In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon in Thinkific. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set it up, what each option means, and a few practical tips to make your discount work the way you expect. Start by signing in to your Thinkific admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, open Sales, then select Coupons. This is your hub for creating and managing all discount offers. Click the New Coupon button to begin. You'll first choose the type of coupon you want to offer. A code coupon is entered by the student at checkout. It's perfect for email campaigns, partnerships, or social promos where you want a specific code to share. A volume discount is automatically applied when minimum purchase requirements are met, great for bulk enrollments or corporate packages. With volume discounts, the student doesn't need to remember anything. Thinkific will apply it when the rules you define are met. Next, fill in the coupon details. Give your coupon a clear, descriptive name. This shows on checkout and receipts, and it also makes your reporting cleaner later. Choose your discount type. Percentage off is ideal when you want a consistent savings across different price points, while a fixed amount off works well for courses priced similarly or when you want a simple dollar savings. If you have a time-limited promotion, add an expiry date. This is optional, but it's useful for seasonal campaigns and controlling how long a deal is available. If you prefer an evergreen offer, you can leave it blank. Select the applicable products. You can target specific courses, bundles, or particular pricing options. This is especially helpful if a course has multiple purchase choices, like one-time payments versus monthly plans, and you only want the coupon to apply to certain ones. If you're discounting subscriptions or payment plans, consider the discount duration. This optional setting lets you control whether the discount applies just once or carries over multiple payments, which is helpful for first-month promos or long-term incentives. If you chose a code coupon, enter the code that students will type at checkout. Pick something short and memorable. You can create multiple codes for the same promotion if you want to track different channels or audiences without changing the underlying discount. Optionally, set maximum uses for each code to limit redemptions and protect your margins. When everything looks good, click Save. Your coupon is now ready. Share your code with your audience, or let your volume discount apply automatically. Before you launch widely, double-check the dates, amounts, and product selections, and consider a quick test checkout to confirm it behaves exactly as intended.